Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare milk and honey soap easily at home. It's very natural and cost effective. I am going to prepare the soap in 2 layers. I bought all my ingredients from vedaoils.com. They sell purest form of all natural ingredients with no parabens and no sulfate to prepare soap, lip balms, body washes and more products. You will need goat milk soap base, this is how it looks. You will need some milk powder. I am using Amulya Dairy Whitener. Glycerin soap base. It also has shea butter in it. You will need some honey. You will need yellow food color. This is completely optional. Take a bowl, add in the goat milk soap base. Add 1 teaspoon of the milk powder. Using double boiling method, cook this soap until it melts completely. After 8 to 10 minutes, the base would have melted. For mold, I take this plastic cup and cut it in the middle. Now this would be our soap mold.
Now the soap has melted. Pour the melted soap into the mold.
Refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, take the soap. Take a bowl, add some glycerin soap base. Melt it using double boiling method. Now quickly add the honey and stir well. The soap thickens up very quickly, so that you have to act very fast here. Pour the mixture into the same plastic cup. Freeze it for 2 hours. Now our soap is ready for use. It looks fabulous, it has pure honey in it which moisturizes the skin. Milk cleans the skin, removing dirt and pollution. It makes the skin glow naturally. This soap is 100% natural and very effective.
I also made another one to gift it to my best friend. You can buy all the ingredients from weatheroils.com. The website has all the essential products that you need to make soap, lip balms, body washes, hand washes and whatnot. 100% made at home products.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.